In an era where cleanliness and efficiency are paramount, steam cleaners have emerged as eco-friendly alternatives to chemical-laden cleaning products. The 2,500-watt portable handheld steam cleaner promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine with its high-temperature, pressurized steam, portability, and versatile attachments. Designed for both household and light commercial use, this machine aims to tackle grime, sanitize surfaces, and simplify chores. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into a detailed analysis. Key specifications: power, 2,500 watts, temperature, up to 140 degrees Celsius, 284 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure, 4.5 bar, 65 pounds per square inch. Water tank capacity, 500 milliliters, heat up. Time 60 seconds. Attachments: 3 brush heads, scrub, nylon, angled. Nozzle, scraper, cloth pads. Weight, 2.3 kilograms, 5.1 pounds. Cord length, 3 meters. Design and portability. Build quality. The steam cleaner features a robust, ergonomic design with a matte finish body and heat-resistant grips. Its compact size, 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters, makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Portability. Weighing 2.3 kilograms, it's lightweight for a handheld device, though prolonged use may cause fatigue. The 3-meter cord offers decent reach, but an extension cord might be needed for larger areas. Water tank. The 500 milliliter tank strikes a balance between capacity and weight, providing 15 to 20 minutes of continuous steam. Refilling is straightforward, but interruptions for refills can be inconvenient for large jobs. Performance and efficiency. High temperature. Steam at 140 degrees Celsius. The steam effectively dissolves grease, kills bacteria, and loosens stubborn stains. Tested on kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, and oven grime, it delivered impressive results without chemicals. Pressure output. The 4.5 bar pressure ensures deep cleaning of porous surfaces like grout and upholstery. However, delicate materials, e.g., thin plastic, may require lower settings to avoid damage. Versatility. Floors. The scrub brush head glides over tiles and laminate, lifting dirt effortlessly. Windows, glass. Paired with microfiber cloths, it leaves streak-free shine. Upholstery. Remove pet hair and coffee stains from couches with minimal effort. Automotive use, effective for car seats and dashboards, but avoid direct steam on electronics. Attachments and accessories. Scrub brush, ideal for floors and stubborn residue. Nylon brush, gentle on surfaces like sealed wood. Angled brush, perfect for corners and edges. Nozzle, scraper, targets grout and tight spaces. Cloth pads, reusable and machine washable. Switching attachments is tool-free but requires care to avoid burns from hot connectors. Safety and usability. Safety features: auto shut-off when water levels are low. Child lock to prevent accidental trigger pulls. Thermal insulation to protect hands. Ease of use. Simple one-button operation. The trigger-style handle may tire fingers during extended use. Clear instructions, but first-time users should practice on inconspicuous areas. Maintenance and durability. Descaling required monthly if using hard water. Vinegar solution works. Storage. Empty the tank post-use to prevent mold. Durability. The stainless steel boiler and ABS housing show no wear after 3 months of use. Pros and cons. Pros: chemical-free, eco-friendly cleaning, rapid heat-up time, versatile for multiple surfaces, compact and easy to store. Cons: frequent refills for large areas. Trigger design could be more ergonomic. Limited cord length. Comparison to competitors. Compared to the Karcher SC3 and Bissell PowerFresh, this model offers higher temperature and pressure at a lower price. However, it lacks a continuous steam feature found in premium models. Customer feedback: 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Praise for effectiveness on grout and pet messes. Complaints: minor leaks reported if the tank isn't sealed properly. Warranty and support: 2-year limited warranty. responsive customer service via email or phone. Final verdict. The 2,500-watt portable handheld steam cleaner is a powerhouse for small to medium cleaning tasks, offering hospital-grade sanitization without chemicals. While not perfect for large spaces, its portability, efficiency, and affordability make it a top choice for eco-conscious households. Rating: 4 out of 5 stars.